Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is lesson number 3 in the handwriting nasakh. We are going to study the connections of letters. I'm going to explain each letter with connected, like ba, for example, connected. Ba is like I explained ta, tha, and also hamza on the nabra. So ba, for example, with the alif is written like this. Okay, so it has the length of 5 dots, the alif, like you know. What if I make the ba longer? I have to make a raya, like a flag. The alif should have has a raya. Ba with the ba, so I make like sab'a, the number 7, and then thamaniya, the number 8, and then I go 4 dots and I close it. You can add a dot here so it looks here, and this is more academic. This is ba with the ba. Ba with the ha, so I make the ba with the length of 4 dots, and then I make a dash with a little bit of inclination, and then from the middle I make the C letter. If you notice, the ha is a little bit down because I cannot write it like this. So this is longer and this is not correct. I can also make like thamaniya, the number 8, and then I go with a little bit of inclination, like a slash that has a little bit of inclination with a little fraction here. Yeah, this is the length of 3 dots, and then I go back with the length of 4 dots parallel to the line, and here from the middle I make the C letter. And the C letter will be exactly on the line. Ba with the dal. The dal is always, its side is like half alif and it is leaning somehow to the left. Dal, when it's connected, it is not on the line. There is like a difference of a dot or half dot. If I'm making kashida, which is I'm making longer ba, like I increase the length of ba. Ba with the ra, so this is 1, move 2, 3. When the ba is long, so the ra should have 3 moves. When the ba is small, like this, very small, okay, I'm going to make ra like this. I'm going to make ra like this. This part should appear very well, and this should be like 2 dots length, and this should be like an obtuse angle. Dal has a little bit of inclination to the left. Ba with sin. Any tooth that comes before sin has to be longer, a little bit longer, so I can make it just like it can show. Okay, so I can make a separation between it and sin. Yeah, this is the rule. If there is ba, da, tha, noon, or ya before sin, so the tooth of that letter before sin has to be a little bit longer, like half alif. Ba with the sad, so that is, yeah. I make the noon here. Ba with the ta, a long side, a small side, an obtuse angle. I put the alif in the first third. And don't forget the hilyab, the decoration on top of the alif. Ba with the ayn. We all make mistake in this. No, ayn has to be closed. I make 2 dots like this, and from underneath I make the C letter. So that is ba and ayn. The most important thing is the ayn has to be closed, when it's connected at the end of the word or in the middle of the word. So this is, for example, the word bad. So this is in the middle. And you have to have this like wave here. You see this wave here? Yeah, I go up and I make this. So this is ayn closed. Ba with the fa, I make the fa like this. When it's in the middle, I make it like this. It has, when the fa is in the middle, it has no neck. Yeah, this is not correct. It has no neck in the middle, the fa. Ba with the qaf, it's about dal. And then I make the noon like this. This is ba with the qaf. I make the rounding and then it takes the body of the noon. This is like the number 8. Ba with the wow, so I make the same rounding. So 1 move, 2, 3. This is like raw. Yeah, like this. Ba with the kaf. So this is ba, alif, like we have just learned now. And then I go up with 1 dot, and then I go down with a little bit of inclination. Yeah, the ham, yeah. This is the shara of the kaf. Like, yeah. Kaf and lam has no hilya decoration because it's connected only when the kaf is alone. Ba with the noon, it goes like this. Ba with the meme. Okay, so you always make mistake in this. I go with an obtuse angle and I make the number 8. You see that number 8? Yeah, I did not reach the line with the second side. So I match the first side with the second side and then I make this slash down from here. Or I make the same triangle and I put on top of it the number 2. Or, do you remember that meme that we have learned last class? If I put this on top, yeah, this, yeah. Sin, for example, yeah, the third tooth, okay, I make it like this when it has a meme after. There is one that you always seen in the Quran, in the Mus'haf. This is called Al-Luziyya. Okay, so it is written like this. What about ba with the ha? Do you remember ba with the dal? That is 1 dot up the line. What can I do? So make it ha? I just do like this. I close it like this. The most important thing that this part appears, so it shows that this is the handwriting of Nasr, handwriting of Riqa. I don't have this little part here. Ba with lam, alif. Okay, I make the alif and from the middle I make quarter of a circle. From the middle of the alif. This is really important. And this alif has the inclination. You can put dots here, so this is more academic. Ba with the ya. So it's like an opposite T in English. And then I go down. This emptiness is 1 dot and I close it. This is a 45-degree angle. Or you can simply make dal. This is 1 dot and then I go back a little bit with a little bit of inclination and then I make the 45-degree angle. So now we have explained the connections of ba with all the letters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.